This is the LG Viper Take Apart Repair Guide. First step will be to remove the back battery cover. From there you can remove the battery and the micro SD card. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 7 small Phillips screws as shown in the video. With all the small Phillips screws removed, you can now use a safe open pry tool to begin prying away the back housing. Simply glide along the outside edges, releasing all the clips, holding the housing in place. But the back bottom cover can be removed as you're removing the back housing. Motherboard exposed, there will be one more small Phillips screw located in the video. With the screw removed, you can now use a safe open pry tool to remove the circuit board as shown in the video. Clips are released, you'll need to release the one pop connector for that circuit board. You can now release all 4 pop connectors as shown in the video. Release the loudspeaker, which is held in place to the front housing with adhesive. You can now use your pry tool to gently lift up the motherboard, being careful that there is still one pop connection located on the back of the motherboard. Release this final connection and remove the motherboard. Motherboard removed, you can now use the safe open pry tool to gently lift away the camera, which is held in place with adhesive. You need to remove the rubber mat located in the bottom of the screen assembly. Remove the volume button and power button. And now using a safe open pry tool, begin releasing the upper flex cable, which includes the power button flex cable, the speaker, and an audio headphone jack. Now remove the lower flex cable, which includes the microphone and LEDs for the keypad. You can now replace the full screen assembly.